Hello, this is Jivita. Today I'm going to solve a basic problem here, chef and feedback in Codechef. Let's just see the overview of the problem. So I will just explain you what is this problem is. This is a scenario based problem, and according to this problem, chef is having a restaurant and he has some customers with him. So the customers are used to give the feedback to the chef in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, so basically, with that feedback, we have to decide whether he had given a good or bad criteria for the feedback. So how we need to classify that whether it is a good or bad is by comparing whether the given feedback for the chef is containing either 010 or 101. So, if either of these substrings are present in the given feedback for the uh, chef, then the chef is having a good feedback. Otherwise, it is a bad feedback. This is a very simple and basic problem that we can solve using a Python. Let's just see what we have to do. I will explain you in two ways to solve this problem. Okay. So yeah, let's just start. So basically, they have given a sample input and output. We have to consider t denoting the number of test cases, right? If the test cases are two times, we have to check or iterate the given string. Okay. So yeah, let's just see. T is equals to int input since it is an integer. We have to take, and for this t number of test cases, we have to check for I in range of t, that many times we have to parse it, and then we need to give the we have to take the input, right? That is feedback for the chef, and let's just see this, save it like feedback is equals to input as it is in the form of a string. You can just place like whether 101 or 010 isn't a feedback. Okay, so by if condition, if 010 or 101 is sorry in, right, I have to write like this, in feedback or in feedback. Okay, then I have to take it as true, right? So in that case I have to print good feedback. Okay, else I need to print it as bad. Let's just see how it works. We got successfully executed and correct output according to the given in, and see whether all the test cases are passing or not. Step. And yeah, yeah, this is correct. So, according to me, in every language there is in operator. See some other kind of steps or other kind, whether it can be solved in other way. So let's just see now in another way. Now, if I consider, first of all, I will explain. So first, for example, by having apps as my input, what happens? Uh, so I need to check. So let's take example. So here I have to check for the whether this string. if 101 or 0100 are present in this string, right? So, if I want to check whether these are present in this string, the length is 3 for both, right? So I can compare for each and every substring starting index to plus 3 index. That means 3 elements are considered and compared with either of these two strings. And if those are same, either of these are present. If this is same, is present in the string, then I can just print good and can take this loop, right? But there is also a case here. I cannot compare from here to the third string because this is the last character of the string and can either not compare the but last element because there are only one element in this character. So from where I have to stop. So here up to the from last onwards we have to stop from last onwards. So third element we need to stop comparing. That means if it is length of it is length minus 1, this element is length is 2 and this element is length minus 3, right? Okay, so that means I have to stop comparing length minus 3 and that condition has also should also be taken. Let's just start coding. Okay, if I take this feedback as an input chef and let's consider the indices range starting from 0 length of back minus 1. Consider if back of I2 I plus 3. I'm using the slicing operator here and if it's equals to 0 0 or back of I2 I plus 3 equals to 1 0 and I should less than equals to as we have seen earlier that minus 3, right? I can consider the flag as 1 and print as good. Often it is present. We need not to check further. So I will break this. Afterwards, in another case, I have to keep flag equals to 0. It will be 0 if there is no string either 0 1 0 or 1 0 1 is present in a given string. Then we can check this condition of coming out comparison. Stop it. Whether flag is equal to 0. If it is, I will just print as bad. Just see the compiling UI successfully executed. Just submit. See true or false for all the test cases. Currently, test case 1 is running. 3, 5, and 6. Hooray! Got correct answer. That's all from my side, guys. Bye bye.